Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel iTechShare, a channel to connect, discuss and share. I am thinking now to create a playlist named Crack the C-Sharp Interview. When you will get any interview call, you generally have very little time to prepare by going through entire subject, is not it? Here we will discuss some of the industry standard questions with explanation, topic by topic in every episode. We'll not just touch base and go. We'll discuss little in depth which may help you to answer any byproduct questions. So you will be much more confident to appear for the interview. Happy learning. Today's topic is one of the most common and most discussed thing, that is polymorphism. Here we'll discuss and understand what is polymorphism, what is static or compile time binding or early binding, what is dynamic or runtime binding or late binding, and finally what is method hiding, how it is different from the others. In a real-time implementation, it means many implementations of same method name. For example, here you can see there are two methods with same name calculate. Still it will not throw any error, as signature here the parameters are different. So these two methods are giving two different implementations of same method name, where in first method it's adding 3 parameters and in other 2 parameters. One very important note marked in red here. We sometimes get confused when interviewer asks this. What if you change the return type in this case? Answer is, if you change the return type, it will be considered two different methods and you will get compile time error. Happy learning. Let's move to the next slide. Here in this slide, you can see the overall structure of polymorphism landscape. It can be broadly categorized in two parts. One, static or compile time, or you may call it early binding. And second, dynamic, runtime or late binding. First one you can achieve through overloading and second type you can achieve through overriding. Let's get into the example in next slide. In static or compile time binding, we are changing the parameters. So it's called as early binding too. As during compile time you are sure what would be the result of this. As you can see in below methods, depending upon passing parameters, it will show two different results. In first method, we are not passing anything, and then in the next, we are passing poly. See in details. And here is the outcome. You can see here that the first method will print this is from parent display, right? Because we are not passing any parameters, so the main method is being called here. In the second, we are passing poly, and that's why after concatenation in this method, it will print this is from poly display. In this section, you can see we have achieved runtime polymorphism through method overriding via virtual method. The final decision happening very late depending upon which object will be used to override. You can achieve this through abstract method too. Just have a look of these methods. Now, here is the magic of method hiding. Method hiding is nothing but invoking the hidden base class method when base class variable reference is pointing to the derived class object. Just see this example, it will help you to understand better. If you use normal flow like override keyword in derived class, it will print the line from the derived class. No confusion here, because we are overriding base class method here. But if we use new, then it will print the thing from the base class. As simple as that. Okay, so we have done here with her first episode. From fresher to 8 years of experience, anyone from this experience bracket can expect this topic in your interview. So get prepared, stay tuned, and good luck to your job hunting. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.